Hello, everybody. Good morning. Okay, so still people are joining. Um, I'll introduce myself, but after a while. So let us wait for 5 minutes so that everybody can join. Okay. મને એ નથી ખબર કે હું શું લઉં છું ને મીર સર શું લે છે. હેલો.
મેડમ તમારું સ્પીકર શરૂ છે, બધા સાંભળે છે. મ્યુટ કરો ને કામ લેક્ચર લ્યો.
Hello. Okay, so I think most of you have joined, and welcome to the session. You must be wondering that why I'm taking the session today instead of sir, because I saw a couple of messages flashing over here that wish the happy Dhanteras to sir and all that. So I'll introduce myself. My name is Anjana Prajapati, and I'm also going to take one of the subjects. And as you know, that the subjects are electives, right? Okay. Thank you. Now, I would like to make the shower. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for all your wishes. So, there are a couple of things we are going to do today in this session. Did you do? Mukesh Ambani પણ તમારી પાસેથી ઉછીના માંગે. I say bye. Acha, acha. Okay, let us move ahead from the wishes. So, I hope you all have selected the subject, right? Most of you have elected the subject online. Yes or no? I hope you are listening to me. Okay. So those who have not elected a subject can immediately go and still make a choice. Okay. Because see, unless and until you choose an elective, we will not be able to start your regular studies. Okay. So it is very, very important that class gets divided. And we got to an additional session before Diwali, which is a very good thing for us. So before we end the class today, everybody present in this class must have selected a subject. Okay. So those who have not done, please do it quickly. Okay. Now, did you do introduction? Have you all done introduction activity? I mean, have you ever given your introduction in any of the classes? Not this class, but any of the classes. Yes? Okay, very good. So, let me ask you a few questions. So, if somebody tells you that, tell me two positive things about yourself, what would you say? I would say, tell me two positive things about yourself. What would you say if I ask you this question? Are you getting my question? Confidence, caring and trustworthy, selfless and caring, kind. Anyway, somebody said kind. I would like to remind you that today is World's Kind. Today is the World's Kind Day. Okay, so polite, protective, and bright person. Very nice, Smith. Okay, I'm caring. Very good. So today in this session, we will talk a little about personality adjectives, right? And we are going to talk about positive personality adjectives. So, there are, what is adjectives, first of all? Do you know what is adjectives? Yes or no? How many of you know what is adjectives? The word which describes someone's personality? Mm-mm, not exactly. What is adjectives? Adjectives are words which are used to describe the quality of a noun. So there are certain words that you can use to describe someone's personality. Yes, which modifies a noun, attribute of noun. Very nice, Dhruvi. Thank you. And Kathy, thank you. Anjali, thank you, of course. So there are words that describe the person positively. There are, of course, also the words that describe the person negatively, their personality negatively. Can you tell me one or two adjectives which are negative personality description adjectives? Angry. Okay. Selfish. Very nice. Arrogant. Annoying. Okay. Good. I'm good and short tempered person. Moody. Very good. Cruel. Narcissistic. Very nice. Mean. Aggressive. Very good. Okay. These are wonderful answers. So let us play around some of the personality adjectives. Are you all ready? Would you like to play a small game about positive personality adjectives? Yes, very good. So, because I thought that today, uh, just a day before the vacation starts, and also we have to wait till some of the students select their elective. Let us play some fun English games. So I have come up with a very nice game which you all would like to play. But before we start playing the game, I would like to ask, would you like to start with an easy one and then go to difficult, or should I directly give you a difficult, challenging game? Easy to difficult? Difficult. Okay, there are three, four people said easy to difficult. Okay, I'll give you the easy one first. Okay. Have you ever done match the followings in your school or something? You match the pairs. Yes. Okay. Let's do similar kind of thing. Okay. So I'll share a link with you. What you have to do in that is you have to drag uh, uh, the right answer. Like there, you have to drag a line uh, that you will drag the cursor and which would draw the line, so you have to match the adjective with its meaning. Okay, and this is the easy one. So I'm giving you the easy one first. Okay, so give me a minute's time. Just a minute. Okay, so I had this activity ready, but due to some reason I'm not able to access the link. Okay, no problem. I'll have a.
Okay, in the meantime, where ma'am would find out this thing, I think some of you have already chosen your electives. Some of you have not. I could see many of you have not. So, is there any technical reason or because of which you are not able to choose? Because I think it was now enabled. I could see many of you have already made your choices. So, what is it that keeps you from choosing it? Is there anybody who has not made their choices and because of technical reason in particular? What technical problems, Stuti? Shruti Raja? Yes, Shruti, if you can share. And if there are some other technical issues, we may resort. There was not a button. Okay, fine. Ma'am, if it is okay, what we can do is we can do it in the class itself. I do have a list with me, and
Okay.
if we can invite, if it is okay with you and okay with the students.
Yes, you
Yesterday,
should.
I think
Please,
some
please.
time Shruti did. Today it's available to select. Your others is saying it's available. So Shruti and others, those who tried yesterday and could not find the button, if you can go and check if it is available today. If it is not available today, we'll do it right now in the class. The reason is, as ma'am already said, that this is the last session post Diwali. We are going to have our session separately. But for that to happen, we have to have the electives ready and bifurcation needs to be done. So Shruti, if you could check. Yeah, somebody please share the link with Shruti. I don't know. Just a minute, Shruti. Shruti, here is your link. It's not only for Shruti, for those who tried yesterday and did not find the button, you may go to this login. You may log in with your student ID and this. It's not mobile application. I did tell you yesterday. It's not. It's from the website. So this is the link through which you can, yes, there is another link Shyam shared. So you may go to either of the links from where you can try and log in. Please do it right now. Those who tried yesterday and did not find the button. It is available today, and I'm sure you should be able to do that. So, ma'am, I think we can do this for both the divisions so that our bifurcation will be ready.
Yes, sure, sir.
Yep. So once we're done, you can give us a thumbs up that it's done. So please do it right now. Those who have done, thank you. Those who have not done, I could see many of you have not done. So please get it done by today. So Harsh did. So we'll get the thumbs up and we'll tell you also. Ishan done. So that way thumbs up means done. right? Others, I'm sure, must be trying. So get it done. In case while you are trying, it's not done, still get back to us. We'll resort to the software end, right? I could see many of you are done. Thank you. Those who could not or did not, please do it right now. Go
Sir,
online.
do we have
Yes,
the
ma'am.
list? Maybe we can announce the names here so that
We'll
they.
have. I mean, we do have. The
Huh.
only issue is it'll be mixed of batch one and batch two. This is only batch one, and that's the only issue, right? So students, please do that, and once it is done, just give us a thumbs up so that we'll be sure of these students who are like, I think 88 is a huge chunk, so we'll get to know. So in case it's not working with some of them, we'll resort right now,
Okay.
right? I could see many thumbs up. Thank you very much. Uh, so other students who could not, please get it done by today itself, or maybe right now, right? Yes, ma'am. Now you may please continue. So what we can do is like rest of those who could not, I think many of you did, can participate in the activity that ma'am is proposing, and others parallel can get it done so that by the end of today we'll have the verification done. Right. So ma'am, now over to you, ma'am.
Okay. So as I told you that there is a link and you can click you drag the cursor and click the adjective and then the meaning in front of it. But due to some technical reason, that is not working right now. I don't have the link that I can directly give it to you. So what I can do is I'll give you the adjectives. Okay. So I'm going to speak the names of 10 adjectives, and what you have to do is I'll give you 10 minutes time. When I speak the adjectives, you directly write it in your book, and then after 10 minutes time, you have to come up with the meaning. Now, and then we'll see that who comes up with all the correct meanings of all the adjectives I've given. Okay, so this is the easy one, and then I'll give you a difficult one. So everybody, please be ready with a book and pen, and I'm giving you some 2 to 3 minutes to go and grab your book and pen. Okay, in case if you're not sitting in the session with a book and a pen, I'm just giving you 2 minutes time to get your books and pen with you. Okay. You are not home. Okay. So I don't have any book and pen. Okay, then you just listen to the lecture. What else we can do? But it is preferable that okay, this is today is okay. But whenever you are in the class, I mean you attend the class, however online, you please sit with a book and pen, and I would wish that you note down important things. Okay. Okay. Now let us start. Are you all ready with a book and pen? Yes, very nice. So I would speak the word once, right? And note down in case if you miss at the end, I'll repeat, right? So be very careful in listening. Okay, so there you go. Your first word is agreeable. एक मिनट फोन कर लो ना हाँ the first word is agreeable. Second is amiable. Amiable. Third is charming. Charming. Fourth is polite. Fourth is polite. Fifth is likable. Fifth is likable. Sixth is considerate. Sixth is considerate. Seventh is straightforward. Seventh is straightforward. Eight is generous. Eight is generous. Nine is okay. My voice is glitching. I think it could be some internet issue from your side. I'll still try to speak. I try to repeat all of them again. Nine is observant. Observant. And the last is, tenth is quick witted. Ten is quick witted. Okay. Now I repeat all of them once again: agreeable, amiable, charming, polite, likable, considerate, straightforward, generous, observant, quick witted. Yes. Okay. Now I'm giving you 10 minutes time. You may do whatever you want. You may look whatever into you want, but you have to find out the correct meaning of this, and you have to just write, one or two words, not more than one or two words. Okay, not a big, huge sentences, right? So I'm giving you 10 minutes time to do this. After that, we'll have a second round of adjectives, and it is 10:56 in our digital watches. So we'll meet here exactly again at 11 uh, 7. Okay. All right. Till then, continue your choice filling. By the time those who have completed, they can do this. Those who have to still select an elective, they continue to do this. If you have any question, you can please type it here. Yes, Beta, you will get to have the recording of all the sessions, right? It would be there in your attendance only. Right, so we'll send you the recordings of all the sessions. I don't know how to send the recording of this particular session because it would be almost 45 minutes audio. Okay, so Sujal says it is done. So I have given you 10 minutes, but still you have completed it quickly. We can do it quickly. So shall we start? Have most of you completed? So those who have completed the activity, they can write here that done or completed. I don't mind even if you Google the words, but you have the time frame. Okay, Hirua says wait. Okay, so do whatever you want to find out the meanings, but you have the time frame. Okay, so now only 4 5 minutes to go, but most of people are done here. Okay, just will wait till 11:05. Okay, that would be fair, I think. Aman done, Kathy done, Jay Devi done. Good, good. Okay, last 3 minutes to go. Yes. Meanwhile, I would like to give one instruction. After this, we are going to. I'm going to ask you the meanings of these adjectives. At that time, I don't want you to type. You can just unmute your mic and speak. Okay. So those who can't like don't have the microphone facility or something, that's okay. But rest, I suggest you speak. Unmute your mic and speak. Please don't write in the chat box for next 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. Quite a lot people have done. So those who have not completed, finish it quickly. Last 2 minutes to go. So you got almost 10 minutes. So it is like 10 adjectives, 1 minute for each. So I don't see any reason that you should be getting it wrong. Everybody should have the meanings, and most of the meanings should be correct. Hello. Yes, everybody listen. Uh, Let us quickly go through the words. Now you have to unmute your mic. I'm not be reading your messages. If you write type a message, I won't be reading it. What is the meaning of observant? Tell me the meaning of observant.
Noticeable person.
Okay.
Notice all the things.
Okay. Yes, the person who notices the things, who observes the things. Okay. Next is quick-witted. What is the meaning of quick-witted?
Understand things quickly.
Mm-mm. Anybody else? Quick-witted.
Alert.
Alert. Okay. Anyone else?
Clever.
Clever. Yeah, very close. Anybody else would like to give it a try? Quick-witted. Okay. I'm not reading your messages, whatever, whatsoever you write. Okay. Next is um, considerate. What do you think is the meaning of the word considerate?
Attentive.
Showing careful thought.
Huh?
Attentive.
Deliberate.
Deliberate.
Deliberate. No.
Showing care.
Consider the things of people.
Huh? Come again. What was
Showing
it?
careful thought.
Showing careful thoughts. Okay. Then
Consider the things of other people.
consider the things of other. Wonderful. Considerate is the person who considers other people's opinions, ideas, feelings. So the person who considers other people's things, that is considerate in a positive way. Okay. Okay. Next is charming. What is the
Good
meaning of
Most
looking.
charming?
attractive person. Attractive.
Yes. Yeah. All of you are right.
Yeah, Raj.
All of you are right. Okay. One last one. Straightforward.
Open.
Direct approach
Direct.
to a problem.
Direct.
Direct. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. All of you are
Frank.
correct. Frank. Yes. Okay. One answer I would like to correct. Quick-witted is a person. Witted means a sharp-minded person who is intelligent, and a quick-witted meaning the person who quickly comes up with a solution, quickly thinks, right? So clever is the closest one. Okay. Now most of you would have got rest of the adjectives correct because it is generous and polite and all that. That are everyday adjectives. I hope you got all of them correct. Now let me ask you a couple of more adjectives. Let us see how much do you know. Okay. And you don't have time to think about it. You have to, if you know, you can unmute your mic and answer, or if you want to keep your mic unmute, you can keep your mic unmute. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now the adjective is resourceful. What do you think is the meaning of resourceful?
Knowledgeable.
Knowledgeable. Anybody else?
Informative.
Informative. Okay.
Finding ways.
Finding ways. Excellent. So, resourceful is a person who finds out solutions of things, find out different ways of doing things and to solve problems. Okay. Um, okay, one more adjective is adaptable. What do you think could be the meaning of the word adaptable?
Flexible.
Very nice. Flexible. Still,
It
I
suits
want
to all situations.
very nice.
The
Still, I
person
want a
who
proper meaning. Yes?
able to adjust.
Able to adjust. Very nice. The person who is able to adjust in the situation. Uh, okay. One more word I would like to ask is proactive. What is proactive?
Controlling a situation.
Controlling a situation?
precaution.
Precaution? No, no.
Energetic.
Energetic? No. Energetic, yes. Very close. Okay.
Person who controls the thing.
Person of? Repeat.
Person who controls the thing.
Controls the things.
The
Proactive is
person. The person who gives the answer according to the situation.
um not exactly.
Creating.
No.
The person who is active in every work.
Yes, exactly. Proactive is the person who is always active in almost everything. So, and a little more than active. It's proactive. So, before even you ask the person, he himself or herself takes the action according to the situation. Okay. Last one, and that's difficult. It's diligent. What do you mean is diligent? What do you think the word diligent means? You want me to spell it? Diligent. Diligent.
Hardworking.
Yes.
Decent.
Decent we can't say.
Showing care.
No. Hardworking is very close to the meaning.
Particular.
Um, can say very close, but not exact meaning.
Focused for duties.
Attentive person.
Exactly. Focused
Loyal.
on, yes, focused on duties. The person who is constant in his or her efforts to accomplish whatever he or she has taken up. Okay, that's all for the day. Let us go towards attendance. Hope you enjoyed. Did you like the session? Did you learn something? Okay, thank you. So I'm waiting for the list. I think I'll get it and I'll download, and then we can go for attendance.
Yeah, I have mailed you. It's there in
Thank
your.
you, sir.
In your
Yes,
yeah.
sir. Thank you so much. So just be with me for some 10 more minutes so that we can have attendance. I know your lecture gets over at 11:15, but attendance is a very important thing. Okay. So, sir, this list is only this class, right?
No, it's a master list, so it will be of division 1 and 2 together.
Okay, thank you. I will speak only your last 3 digits of your enrollment number. If you are present, just say present. Okay. Unmute your mic, everybody. Okay. So I'm giving you instruction one more time. I'll speak your name. If you are present, just say present. Once I pass your number, don't bother to tell me during the attendance. You can tell me at the end. Everybody gets this? Should I repeat the instruction in Gujarati?
No, ma'am.
બરાબર. હું એક વખત તમારો નંબર બોલીશ, લાસ્ટ 3 ડિજિટ બોલીશ. જો તમે પ્રેઝન્ટ હોય, યુ હેવ ટુ જસ્ટ સે પ્રેઝન્ટ. બરાબર? તમારો નંબર વચ્ચેથી વયો જાય છે. બરાબર? તમારું ધ્યાન બીજે છે. ડોન્ટ ટેલ મી ઇન બિટવીન. I will not mark your presence. I'll give you the time at the end. બરાબર? So there we go. 231 214 140 211 194 209 185. Just a second. તમને લોકોને એનરોલમેન્ટ નંબર તમારા ખબર છે? Are you aware of it or are you accustomed to
We
it?
know, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think you are taking the enrollment number of second batch. We have till
Yes.
118 only.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
okay, so okay, I'll speak your name. Uh, Akanksha, Aman, Amreen,
Present,
Anshuben,
ma'am.
Amreen present, right?
Aman
Yes.
also present, ma'am.
Please be prompt in your answer. Anshu, Arpita, Astha, Bhavin, Binoy, Darsh,
Present.
Provin.
Present.
એવું હોય તો તમે બધા તમારો માઇક છે ને અનમ્યુટ કરી નાખો, બરાબર? ધેટ્સ ઓકે, બહુ કઈ ડિસ્ટર્બન્સ નહીં થાય. હા સર, ચાલશે. હર્ષ,
Harshayu. Harshayu. Harsh Gelani and Harsh Amrut. Both are correct. Harsh Shayu absent. Harshit June, June Pandit and June Shah.
Ma'am, not able to hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
June Pandit, Dil Shah. Who is present? Jenny Tejpal. Krupaliba. Krush. Aman.
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you clearly. Ma'am, we are not able to hear you.
Can you hear me now? Or it
Oh,
would be
ma'am,
sound?
the background is so high.
Because everybody's this microphone is on,
Yes, ma'am.
but you can't completely not hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
And
ma'am, we can't.
anything.
Acha, then you unmute your mic. Aman,
Yes, madam, present.
very good. Krishna, Maneet, Meet, Meet Jogia, Meet Kumar Bua, Meet Kumar Bua, Nakia, Nihar, Paritha, Rahil, Rajvi, Renish,
Present, ma'am.
Rajvi or Renish? Who is present?
Rajvi.
Thank you. Rishabh, Ritik,
Present, ma'am.
Ritik Giri. So Ritik Giri is present, right? Who just said present? Sakshi, Savan,
Which sound, ma'am?
Savan Gedia,
No.
Shriram, Shubham, Smith,
Present. Which Supam, ma'am?
Shubham Aulani,
Which Smith, ma'am?
Smith Kasundra.
Ma'am,
Yes.
these all are in second batch.
Okay. Anyway, I will speak everybody's name because there is no bifurcation. I don't have a bifurcated list. So have patience and
001 to 119 तक के है मैम इसमें.
okay. So what number did you say? 001.
हाँ 001 से 119 तक.
Oh, that's very nice of you. Thank you. Just a second. But there were people in between. People were saying present. Okay. Anyway, I will
मैम
take from 001.
मिक्स में हो गया आपके पास लिस्ट में वो.
अच्छा 001 से बोलती हूँ. कुंचित. देखो नहीं है वैसे भी. Let me take all the names, right? I'll be quick.
001 नहीं है 002 है.
Let me take all the names because attendance is very important. If somebody present and I mark absent, I can again change it. Soham, Sujata, Surbi, Taha, Vatsal, Vidhi, Yashin, Yashvi,
Present,
Zainab.
ma'am.
Yashvi present?
Yes.
Zainab, Amreen.
Present, ma'am.
Amireen, okay, I don't know. I pronounced maybe your name wrongly. We'll deal with it later. Astha, Ayushi, Abhi.
Present, ma'am.
Ayushi present?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi Parsana, Aditi, Adit Hirani, Aditi Rathod, Aditya Raj Singh. Aman. Anjali.
Present, ma'am.
Aman present.
Yes.
Aman Parmar. Anjali Gaurani and Anjali Padaria.
Present, ma'am. Govrani present.
Thank you, Anjali. Archie.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you. Aryaditya Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Om.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ayush. Yes.
once the attendance is given, we can leave now.
Yes. Ayush. Ayush Maru. Ayush Khoot. Bansit. Bhakti.
Present, ma'am.
Bhargav. Bhargav Loria. Bhavik.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavik Sojitra and Bhavik Kharecha. So this is
Bhavik
which
Sujitra.
Thank you. Bhavini Rathod. Chintan.
Present, ma'am.
Chirang. Darsh. Darshan. Darshan Pfeffer. Darshan Bhatti and Darshan Bhadga. Darshini. Deep Pipalia. Danish.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Deep Pipalia and Danish both are present, right? Dev. Dev
Present,
Dudreja.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Dev Kaneria. Devanshi. Devraj. Dhruvi. Dhruvi. Dhruvi Patel. Dhruvi Chauhan. Dhruvin Gandhi. Dhruvin Gajjar.
Present, ma'am.
Dhruvin Akbari. Diti. Gaurang.
Present, ma'am. Diti.
Okay. Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
Griva. Griva.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh. Kalsania and Harsh Sanja. Harsh Sejalia. Harsh Seth. Harshil Kalaria. Hetanshi.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Hetanshi present.
Yes,
Harshil,
ma'am.
ma'am. Harshil
Hetashvi.
Kalari also present.
Hetashvi. Hinal.
Present, ma'am.
Hirva.
Present, ma'am.
Ishan. Ishita. Jagdish.
Present, ma'am.
Jamin. Janvi.
Present, ma'am.
Janvi Changani and Janvi Kataria.
Janvi Changani, present, ma'am.
Very good, thank you. Jasmine. Jai Patel. Jai Prafulbhai Vichlani. Jai Devi Ba. Jeel.
Present, ma'am.
Jeel absent. Jeet Kumar Loria. Jesvi.
Present, ma'am.
Jitesh.
Present, ma'am.
Jeshvi present. Jitesh present. Karthik Jadhav. LV.
Present, ma'am.
Keshvi. Keval.
Present, ma'am.
Kevin,
Present, ma'am.
Keyur, Khushi,
Present, ma'am.
एक मिनट, Khushi Dhruv and Khushi Chandarana. Which Khushi?
Present, ma'am.
Khushi Dhruv, ma'am.
Okay, Khushi
Khushi
Chandarana.
Chandar.
Yes, Khushi Chandarana present or absent?
Present. Present.
Khushi
Dhruv
Bansali.
also.
Present, ma'am.
Khyati.
Present, ma'am.
Kishan Kotak. Kishan Gohel. Kishan Trivedi.
Present, ma'am. Kishan Trivedi, present.
Kishan Parekh. Kishan Krisharam.
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Parmar. Krishna Thakur. Which Krishna is this?
Krishna Parmar.
Okay. Kuldeep Dayalal.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Kunchit. Kushal. Madhvi. Mahi. Mansi. Mansi Vora. Mansi Boria. Maulik Parmar.
Present, ma'am.
Meet Patel. Meet Bhadja. Meet Desai. Meet Savalia.
Present, ma'am.
Meshra. Meshra absent.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Mihir Ghansora. Milan.
Present, ma'am.
Misri.
Present, ma'am.
Mitali. Mofiza Khan. Muskan. Nandini. Nandini Joshi. Nandini Dudani. Naran Limbasia. Neil
Present,
Donga.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Neil Donga. Neil Sadrani.
Neil Donga, present, ma'am. Naran
Nimi.
Limbasia, present, ma'am.
Neil Sadrani present. Neil Donga present.
Neil Donga.
Yes. Nishi.
Present, ma'am.
Nishreen.
Present, ma'am.
Om Mehta. Paras. Parth. Parth
Ma'am, I
Javeri.
was present.
Parth Pitroda. Who is present?
Yes, present. Ma'am, present.
Who is
Parth
present?
Javeri also present.
Parth
Parth Javeri.
Pitroda also present. Ma'am.
Very nice. Paras Baraya.
Ma'am, I was also present.
Speak your name. Prarthil.
Misri Thumar.
મિશ્રી તમારું નામ કેટલી વખત પહેલા આવી ગયું? તમારું નામ આવે ને ત્યારે જ તમારે બોલવાનું. મિશ્રી ઠુમર પ્રેઝન્ટ છે બેટા. કેટલી વાર થઈ ગઈ નામને? વચ્ચે નહીં બોલો તમે કોઈ. પાર્થિલ. રાહુલ. પારુલ. પ્રભાત. પ્રણવ. પ્રણવ સોની. પ્રણવ ભાતાગર. પ્રેમ. લાડાણી. પ્રીત ફેફર. પ્રિયા. प्रिया मोदी. प्रिया संगलानी.
Present, ma'am.
सरनेम बोलो बेटा.
Priya Modi. Yes, ma'am. Priya
Who is
Saglani.
this? Thank you. Priya Sejpal. Priya Nagar. Priya
Present,
Thakur.
ma'am.
Priya Thakur absent.
Priyal Nagar. Present.
Thank you. Priyansh Shah.
Present, ma'am.
Priyansh Ruparel.
Present, ma'am.
Purva.
Present, ma'am.
Rajvi.
Present, ma'am.
Rajveer. Rikena. Riya. Riya Pat. Riya Rawal.
Riya Rawal, ma'am. Present.
Very good. Riya Pat. Rohan. Rohit.
Present, ma'am.
Who is present?
Rohit Sitapura.
Rohit Sitapura, thank you. Roman Ruchita.
Present, ma'am.
Rushali, Roman present?
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Who is this? Rushali present, okay. Rutvik. Sahil. Sahil Mehta, Sahil Solanki, Sahil Hirpara. Sanskruti, Savan, Sharan, Shivani.
Savan Dobaria present, ma'am.
Savan Dobaria present, thank you. Shavni, Sriraj Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Present,
Shivraji.
Srushti,
Shruti Raja, present, ma'am.
Srushti absent. Shubham,
Yes.
Shubham Kaleria,
Present.
Shubham Kalavadia.
Present, ma'am. Shubham Karelia.
Very good.
Shubham Kalavadia also present.
Madam Shivraj Singh also present.
एक मिनट हो शिवराज सिंह प्रेजेंट हाँ बेटा प्रेजेंट કર્યું શુભમ લુણાગરિયા શ્યામ
Shubham
લુણાગરિયા
Kalavadia present, ma'am.
ઈ બે શુભમ
Ma'am
present
Shubham Karelia present.
પ્રેઝન્ટ શુભમ લુણાગરિયા
Shubham Kalavadia present, ma'am.
ઈ બે શુભમ પ્રેઝન્ટ છે બેટા હું શુભમ લુણાગરિયા પૂછું છું હવે શ્યામ લુણાગરિયા શ્યામ દેલવાડિયા સિદ્ધિ
Present, ma'am.
સ્મિત પરમાર સ્મિત સગપરિયા
Smith Pambar present, ma'am.
हाँ श्रीत पांबर प्रेजेंट सॉरी स्मित कुमार डांगरिया सुजल
Present, ma'am.
तरंग तीर्थ वनराज वत्सल वत्सल लुणागरिया वत्सल अंबालिया विधि सोलंकी विमल विशाबा विवेक विवेक दलसानिया અને
Vivek Kacharia.
હા કયા વિવેક present?
present. Vivek Kacharia present.
Very nice. यश
Vivek
यश
Dalsania also present.
हाँ ई बने
Yes, Somaya present, ma'am.
यशराज प्रेजेंट ने यश
Yes, Somaya.
हाँ ये प्रेजेंट यशवी येशा
Present, ma'am.
રીલ્સ આ કોણ પ્રેઝન્ટ છે હવે યશવી કે યેશા
Present, ma'am.
Yesha. Ma'am, I am Yesha.
રીલ્સ પ્રેઝન્ટ યેશા પ્રેઝન્ટ યશવી એબ્સેન્ટ ઓકે થેન્ક યુ સો મચ
Ma'am, Harshad present છે ને?
હવે હું આવું ચેક નહીં કરતો નંબર બોલ એનરોલમેન્ટ નંબર ફટાફટ
9235
5070 મારા ને પછી લેક્ચર છે
Sorry, ma'am.
તમે હું નામ બોલું ત્યારે જ તમારે ધ્યાન રાખવાનું 5070 પ્રેઝન્ટ છે ને હું ચેક કરી લઈશ હવે
Okay.
બાય એવરીબડી પ્લીઝ એક્ઝિટ ધ ક્લાસ
Ma'am, you didn't say my name only.
વોટ ઇઝ ધ નેમ
Krinal.
Okay, okay. Email present. Chala.
Ma'am, you also didn't take my name.
What is your name?
Nemisha.
Nimisha. Okay.
5067.
Okay. 5067. Criminal number bol.
5118.
5118. Okay. Thank you. Everybody, please exit the class. Our next class.